Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it was 23 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then Chrome and the other. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different ways. You can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, or you can check the specific time you spent on the screen in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under it you've got the list of the apps which we've been using with the time we've spent on them. And the second option is to tap directly on the app, so for example settings, Chrome or the other. So let's simply tap on it, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.